Cooking dinner, a journey through English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cooking dinner. This phrase is not only about preparing a meal but also rich in cultural and linguistic nuances. Let's dive in and understand every aspect of it. Cooking is the act of preparing food by combining ingredients and applying heat. In English, this verb is often used to describe the process of making a meal. It's a versatile word and can be used for any meal of the day: breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Remember, cooking can involve various methods like boiling, frying, baking, or grilling. Dinner is more than just a meal. It's a concept that holds different meanings across cultures. Traditionally, it refers to the main meal of the day. In some cultures, dinner is eaten in the evening, while in others, it could be the midday meal. The idea of dinner often brings to mind a sense of family, community, and relaxation. When English speakers say they are cooking dinner, they're often implying a sense of home and comfort. This phrase can also indicate a plan or responsibility, as in, "I'm cooking dinner tonight." It's a common phrase used in daily conversation, reflecting routine and domestic life. There are several expressions and variations related to cooking dinner. For instance, whipping up dinner suggests a quick or informal approach to meal preparation. Meanwhile, preparing a feast implies a more elaborate and special meal. Understanding these variations can enrich your English vocabulary and cultural understanding. Let's practice. Think about your favorite meal to cook for dinner. How would you describe the process in English? Try to use phrases like, "I enjoy cooking," or "My favorite dinner to prepare is." This exercise helps in applying the phrase, cooking dinner, in real-life contexts. That's all for today's lesson on cooking dinner. We hope this exploration has not only taught you about a common English phrase but also given you a taste of its cultural depth. Keep practicing, and remember, every phrase you learn is a step closer to mastering the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.